Ah, Christmas. There's no other holiday like it. For a dog, there's no greater gift than to be loved by a family during the holiday season. There's just one problem with this picture. That's not me. That's me, Doug 18927. That's Doug, the dog catcher. You want to know where Christmas sucks the most? Jail. No matter how many times I try to get away from Doug, I always ended up stuck with the usual crowd of dogs that nobody wanted. My inability to outsmart a middle-aged man was getting frustrating, so I resolved that my next escape would be my last.
Him! I want him!
Great choice, buddy. Here you go.
See, you wouldn't want to be you.
Hey!
See you later, sucker. Freedom never felt so good. And that's when I met the Parker family.
Come here, I have something to show you.
Ed, there's nothing here.
Sure there is, it's a dog.
What?
I need a place to
You
hide.
know I hate those animals. Oh, so card tricks aren't my thing.
Is anything your thing?
Isn't it amazing? Sorry, Dad. You never spend any time with friends.
Yeah, I know.
Who's down there?
Hey, hi, kid.
There, you're my new partner. Watch with amazement.
Is that a ball?
As I make this ball vanish.
What? Why would you hide it?
How'd you do that?
A little bit of an accident.
This'll fix you up. That's what friends are for, right?
Easy.
We'll have to hide out down here till Christmas morning. Then I can say Santa brought you.
Hey, Jakey!
Hi, Haley. Nice jacket. It's super expensive.
Excuse me. Merry Christmas.
Hey, Dad.
What's up with you, Houdini?
Who knew 70 was a new 40?
Have you seen this dog?
Do you like the tea? I made it myself.
2, please.
There is a dog in this house.
My whole life ruined by dogs.
Life isn't ruined. Trust me, I've been involved in more than one Christmas disaster.
Well, that did not go as well as planned.
I'm sorry, Shelby. It's all my fault.
It's not your fault.
Don't go, Shelby!
When you really care about somebody, they're always with you.
Magic can make the impossible possible. I need you to help me save Shelby. Here's what we're gonna do.
Jake, I knew you could do it. I give you a hand, but I don't got one.
Ready to go home?
Best Christmas ever.